Hey guys, I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing for the month of September. So, if you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is $21 a month. It is a monthly subscription of about 5 or more higher-end beauty products. Alright, so let's get into the box and see what I got. Now, I've already played with this box a little bit. I already know what I got. Spoiler alert. So let's dive right into it. First up, I got the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighten in the shade Tropic Hues. And it is Gorgina. Look at it. I've already swatched it. Sorry. My nails look horrible, but as you can see, there is some berry tone with some rose gold, kind of a shimmery. Ooh, it's so smooth, and it is such a glowy blush. Can you kind of see the shift of the rose gold in there? Oh, it's so beautiful. So, again, that was Laura Geller, and this retails for $28. So, already paying for your box right there. You know, it's already paid for, just with that one product. Next up, I got the Hank and Henry Liquid Lipstick in Petal Pusher. And this is kind of one of those moussey type liquid lipsticks. And the color is a warm cranberry type color. So, such a good color for fall. And it totally goes with that blush too. Can you guys see I'm in full on fall mode? Who is ready for fall in cooler weather? This girl. I love the fall. It's probably my favorite season because I love Halloween. Oh, I love Halloween. So excited for Halloween. It retails for $17. And I do want to kind of stop for a second and look at this packaging. Do you guys see that it looks like a tube of lipstick in there? It's a liquid lipstick, but look at it up close. Do you see the little angle in the lip? Let's see, let me turn it to that side. It totally has that tube of lipstick vibe. So cute. Packaging win for Hank and Henry. This is the first thing I've ever tried from this brand. I've seen their beautiful glittery eyeshadows, and I would love to get my hands on one, but seems long wearing, but I don't know how many seconds it's been on my hand, but it doesn't look like it's smudge proof. I swatched it the other day and it was still kind of smudging. So it's a long lasting lipstick, but I would not say it's kiss proof. So you go making out with someone, it might smear. Okay, so next in the box are these Alum cosmetic brushes. You see them. Let's see. So it's a 3-piece set, and it retails for $18. And you are getting a blending brush, a flat liner, smudge brush, and then it looks kind of a detailed, let me see what they call it. They're calling it a flat painter brush. It applies color to the lids, which it most definitely looks like it could do some detailed type work. But I am going to use it for a cut crease. Does not look like it'd be great for a cut crease. And it is called the Ojito. I'm butchering that. I'm sorry if I am. Ojito brush set. 100% synthetic fibers. Alright, so there's the brush set. The blending brush is really soft too. Brushes. I just quit my Morphe subscription because I have a ridiculous amount of brushes. Absurd. It was getting ridiculous every time I'd get a new monthly subscription of Morphe Me. I was like, what am I going to do with all these brushes? I can't even keep up on cleaning them. So I had to quit, not because I didn't love getting all those brushes. It was a great subscription, and I completely, 100% still recommend it. And maybe next year I might pick it back up and do it again as long as it's still going. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cans of brushes, guys. 12. I'm just overrun with brushes, so I had to stop. Okay, so moving on. I got the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. So check this liner out. Who's ready for a pizza cutter? So let's look. Well, maybe I should go like that. Hopefully it will. But you see, it looks like a pizza cutter. How frickin' cool. I remember Matt came out with one like a year or two ago, and it was kind of panned. It wasn't very, not a lot of people were filling it. It rolls on the liner like a pizza cutter. Oh my god. Like, how gimmicky is that? But it gives like a really thin line. But I am not sure how steady it will be. So I'm going to have to test it out on the actual eye. Because, oh man, my swatches don't look so pretty right now. There is one more thing. This is what you're waiting for. The eyeshadow palette. The Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. Like, see the birds? It's so beautiful. Everything about this is just beautiful and intricate. I love the bird theme. You can see the layout of the palette. It looks like a bird cage. So cute. So as you can see here, it is a very cool toned, neutral palette. So if you like cool tones, you like taupes, cool toned browns, and some grays, you get really smoky colors. There's even a black in there. I am wearing actually these eyeshadows right now on my eyes. I played with it today. This shadow here, what is it, Dark Side, I basically put all over my lid. You can kind of see it came shattered a little bit, just the corner knocked out. But I used this all over my lid starting out. I just basically put it all over my lid and put a little bit of Hide and Seek in the inner corner to kind of help blend it out. And then I did like the shimmery white on the inside to kind of, for my inner corner, to brighten it. But first impression, they're nice shadows. They blended beautifully and they were packed with a lot of color. So there's a lot of pigment in this palette, I can tell already. But basically all my shadows that I'm wearing are this. And this retails for $35. So again, everything in here more than just pays for your monthly subscription price. So basically this month's box kicks ass. My favorite thing I think I got in this month's box, which is really shocking, is probably the Laura Geller blush, because I'm just so like stricken with how beautiful it is and how pretty it looks on my cheeks, even though my lighting is completely washing it out. But it's okay. I know what it looks like in person, alright? Oh boy. This, I need to get back to you and see if it's gimmicky, because I already like struggle with my eyeliner a lot just because I have hooded eyes, so just placing eyeliners sometimes can just stress you out and make you hate whatever you did to your eyes. So we'll see if this makes it easier. I have a feeling it'll make it harder. I don't know, but we'll see. So love this, love the packaging, super cute, excited about Hank and Henry products. I like the brushes too, so hey, win for me. Again, if you have not signed up for Boxycharm, I definitely recommend that you do. $21 a month, 5 products that are high-end. So yeah, I think you should get it. And I'm not paid to say that. Alright guys, so that is it. That is this month's Boxycharm. That is it. That's all she wrote. Alright, so I will see you guys later next time. Bye-bye.